You are losing your drone signal and ruining your shots every single time you fly near a city, and most pilots just accept it as normal. This hidden wall of interference makes your screen flicker and your heart race when that scary connection warning pops up on your controller. But the brand new DJI Cellular Dongle 2 for the Air 3 and Air 3s just changed the rules of flight forever by making interference a thing of the past. We have all been there where you are flying your shiny new drone, and suddenly the video feed turns into a blurry mess of colorful pixels. Even with the fancy O4 transmission system, big metal buildings and thousands of home Wi-Fi routers act like a giant shield that blocks your radio signal. The moment you fly behind a single large tree or a concrete corner, you usually lose that expensive drone's eyes and have to pray it comes back. This is the big problem that has limited where we can safely fly, but this tiny plastic stick is the secret weapon we have all been waiting for. The DJI Dongle 2 works by plugging into your drone and your remote to create a bridge using the mobile phone network in your local area. Instead of just relying on radio waves that get blocked by walls, your drone now uses 4G LTE data to talk directly to your controller. Think of it like your drone having its own smartphone that stays on a high-quality video call with you, no matter how many buildings are in the way. When your standard radio signal gets weak, the drone automatically switches over to the cellular data without you even noticing a tiny glitch on the screen. You will need a small nano SIM card with a basic data plan to make this work, but the peace of mind it gives you is worth every penny. I tested this in a crowded downtown area where my signal usually dies at only 300 meters, and the results were actually quite terrifying. I flew the Air 3s behind a massive parking garage that usually kills any connection instantly, but the video stayed perfectly smooth and crystal clear. It felt like cheating because I could see every detail in 1080p while the drone was completely out of my line of sight behind solid concrete. This means you can finally stop worrying about losing your connection in suburbs or busy parks where radio noise is at its highest possible levels. You get a massive boost in confidence knowing that as long as there is a cell tower nearby, you are in total control of your aircraft. It is not just about flying further, it is about having a backup plan that ensures you never see a black screen during a critical flight. For professional pilots who cannot afford to lose a shot, this is the most important piece of gear you can put in your bag this year. This little piece of tech is easily the best upgrade you can buy for your DJI kit if you want to fly without any more fear. If you want to see how to install this on your drone right now, check out this video next to get started.